Guys, welcome back. It's by Keith. We're live on CoinMarketCap blog Alexandria. We're going to be reviewing this article on co-founder of ICO scam endorsed by celebs sentenced to 8 years in jail. The article was done by decentralized dog market musings. So, table of content, we're going to be looking at it. So, what do you get when you combine an ICO scam with a little help from unwitting celebrities, a very unhappy US Department of Justice, and thousands of duped victims? So, that's what happened when Sam Sharma, who co-founded a crypto company Central Tech, defrauded victims out of more than $25 million. Now, Sharma has pleaded guilty to securities fraud and has been sentenced to 8 years in jail. So, together with co-defendants Robert Farkas and Raymond Strapani, the Miami-based company convinced investors to part with their cash for the ICO and promised to launch a crypto debit card named the Central Card. The idea was that you could spend in cryptocurrencies at any retailer that accepted Visa or MasterCard. So the trial, hyped by the token sale by claiming that the company had licenses in 38 US states and was headed by a Harvard-educated CEO with extensive business experience. They also falsely claimed that they had a license agreement with Visa, MasterCard, and Bangkok. So Floyd Mayweather and DJ Khaled were used to hype token. The twist in the tale comes as the boxing legend Floyd Mayweather and music producer DJ Khaled were brought on board to promote the ICO and Central Card. September 18, 2017, Mayweather tweeted, Central City ICO starts in a few hours, so get yours before the sellout. I got mine. So, as the celebrities didn't disclose the amount that they were being paid to promote the ICO, the US Department of Justice filed an action against them, which was later dismissed as part of a settlement, which meant they didn't accept or deny the charges, although they did pay some FT fines. So, you want to look at some of the headlines here. These are it. So, back to the news. So, that's it on the news, guys. To write keys on the DeFi market, decentralized finance. These are some of the scams and some of the challenges that are there. So you also want to also continue doing your due research, uh, and also make your confirmation before investing in whichever ICO or project that that comes to your way. So in case of the Visa as a Mastercard, you also want to reach out to Visa or Mastercard to see if they can acknowledge such projects and more, if they have it on your website and more, guys. So those are some of the findings you can do on your own to avoid issues of fraud. So guys, it's your boy Keys. Peace out. Stay tuned for more. One love, and don't forget to subscribe, guys.